Materials required: multicolored buttons of different sizes, thermocol, white card sheet, adhesive, pencil, brush, paper knife, scale, black fabric paint. First, take a thermocol sheet and mark a rectangular frame using a pencil and scale. Now, take some black fabric paint and paint both the sides of the frame. Next, fold a card sheet from 3 sides to form a pocket. Using adhesive, paste this pocket on the frame. Now, turn around the frame and apply adhesive to paste buttons of different sizes on the frame. This button frame looks so nice. It was really easy and creative to use buttons to make a lovely photo frame at home.